Pocoyo jumped with racing cheer. The speedy adventure felt very near. Ellie rolled up in a shiny pink car, smiling wide, ready to go far. Pato honked loud with a yellow grin. Today's big race was about to begin. Lula wagged tail beside the track, ready to cheer, never holding back. The start line sparkled under the sun. Engines hummed, the race begun. Pocoyo zoomed in a bright blue ride. Laughter danced with joy and pride. Ellie waved trunk and picked up speed. Careful turns showed racing skill indeed. Pato raced fast, then slowed with care. Balance and focus floated there. Lula barked happy, running along, and heading friends all race long. Colorful facts fluttered in the breeze. Racing hearts felt light and free. Pocoyo turned corners smooth and bright, eyes shining with pure delight. Ellie crossed bridges strong and wide. Confidence sparked with every stride. Pato splashed through puddles clear, laughing loud without a fear. Lula chased shadows on the ground. Joyful paws made racing sound. The track curved past hills of green, the prettiest race ever seen. Pocoyo slowed to help a friend. Kindness made the moment bend. Ellie smiled, thankful and glad. Teamwork felt better than being ahead. Pato cheered with flapping wings. Friendship mattered more than wins. Lula danced near the finish line. Celebration felt just fine. The crowd clapped loud with happy cheer. Best racing day of the year. Pocoyo crossed with friends nearby. No one raced alone this time. Ellie hugged Pocoyo with delight. Sharing joy felt just right. Pato bowed with dappled pride. Memories sparkled side by side. Lula cuddled close at the end. Racing fun with